Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting releases from Samsung, the Galaxy S25 FE. So, let's start the video. Samsung Galaxy S25 FE will be released next year as the brand's successor to the Galaxy S24 FE, which debuted recently. New details on the Galaxy S25 FE have appeared online, providing important information. The smartphone is expected to include a MediaTek CPU and launch as a slim edition. This implies that the FE model may be smaller in design than the flagship Galaxy S25 series. Important information about the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE was leaked. Samsung is planning to launch the Galaxy S25 FE with a slim form factor. It will feature the same 6.7-inch display like the Galaxy S24 FE. The report adds that Samsung might make the battery thinner while increasing the surface area. The Galaxy S25 FE is also tipped to feature a MediaTek chipset, while the flagship models get the Snapdragon chipset. There were reports of Samsung possibly shifting to MediaTek for the Galaxy S25 series, but it looks like only the FE model will get it. This means that we could see the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset on the Galaxy S25 FE. The Galaxy S25 FE is expected to launch around Q3 next year, so we still have a long time before this phone debuts. It's interesting though to see that the FE model might bring a change with the slim design. Apple is also rumored to launch an iPhone 17 Air or Slim next year. Thank you for watching my video.